All right, so got a little different scenario for today. It's windy as all get out. I'm hoping my mic is working well. We are having some issues on the old stroke that we're going to try to diagnose. And I will show you what's going on. I'm going to turn the old parking lights on. You can see, got parking lights, but we ain't got tag lights. So we need to see what's going on. I put new bulbs in it and check to make sure that it doesn't have its own fuse, and it doesn't. So now we're going to check and see if we got power there and then go from there. Always recommend checking your test light to make sure it's good. And she's good. Okay. Now remember, these will time out, so after a couple of minutes they'll actually shut themselves off. So grounded there. And we're going to reach right up in here and unplug it. I'll bring you back after I get unplugged. All right, if y'all can see, there it is. And as I was suspecting, we got no power. Now I can move this thing around to different areas to see if maybe I'm not getting a good ground. I don't think that's the problem. So now what? Well, put the bulb back in there and put it back in where it's supposed to go. Then we'll look for the connector and we'll start checking there. All right, so I plugged it in and it wasn't working yet, but if you reach up in here, we're getting power. So I don't know if there's a problem with this plug. It sure doesn't seem like it's going very far together. It's like stopping. I don't know what's keeping it. I really don't want to pull these two apart from each other either, even though it's just a zip tie. I don't think it's clipping in. It's almost like it's got full of junk in there. This way it goes together. You got to remember to check your. Got to remember to check your. Yeah, look at that. It is. They're coming on when I pinch it. So something's not letting it clip. I wonder what that would be. Doesn't make any sense. All right, YouTube, they were coming on whenever they touch really hard. So we got to have something going on in this right here that is causing that issue. We'll see if I have some cleaner, and we'll just spray in there and clean it out. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Hopefully, right? All right, success. Thing is that it's an Luma duty, okay? And I love my old stroke here. Wouldn't trade her for anything. Well, maybe a Klondike bar. But the problem is, being a Luma duty, she has had hail damage a few times. So this bed's been off a couple times. And I'm 85% sure they just didn't get it plugged in. I had to blow it out and then really crimp it to get it to go. But I know it's not my normal content. We got some stuff coming on the Jeep. Right now we're waiting on the Holly Sniper. The Ford, as you can tell, is not here. She's in timeout right now. She's got to go in and get some get looked at.